news now coming in straight from the national capital. We are learning that 3 people unfortunately died in a fire at a food processing unit in Narela industrial area of the Delhi. The accident in fact took place in early hours of today morning itself. Total 9 victims have been rescued and were shifted to a hospital in Narela itself, but later they were referred to Safdarjung Hospital is what we are learning from our sources. We have CNN News 18's Yash Goel joining us on the phone line as well. Yash, please walk us through what was the possible reason behind this massive blaze that has unfortunately taken 3 lives?
See, as per preliminary information, what we are understanding and the investigation done by the police revealed that where the fire broke out was a raw moong dal factory, some sort of a factory. And in fact, some sort of pulses were roasted on the gas burner, and a gas leak was actually reported from a pipeline, which caused the fire to spread and which led to overheating of compressors and in fact resulted in a blast. Like you mentioned, 3 people have lost their lives in this, and in fact 6 were injured. All the 9 were taken to the hospital and 3 were declared broad dead by the doctors over there at the hospital. Now the police has actually registered a case under relevant section, and in fact investigation is underway. Around 3:35 was the time 3:35 a.m. was the time when this particular call was received. In fact, upon that, the IO had reached this very place, and in fact, the name of the spot is said to be Shyam Kripa Food Private Limited, which is a factory in Narela industrial area. In fact, the fire had actually engulfed the entire factory, and in fact, some people were in the factory when this incident broke out. And upon that, the police and the fire department discovered around 9 people were there. Out of those, 3 had unfortunately lost their lives.
Right, Yash. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details about that unfortunate accident that transpired here in the national capital. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates as far as the